Question 1986, AB2 says let f be the function given by f of x equals 9x squared minus 36 over x squared minus 9. Right there. Question A says describe symmetry of the graph of f. So we're going to compare f of x to f of negative x. When we do that, 9 times negative x squared, you plug negative x's in where the x's are, and that is going to come out to be the same as f of x, which is going to be, it's going to make it an even function, which gives it symmetry about the y-axis. Question B says write an equation for each vertical and each horizontal asymptote of f. So for vertical asymptotes, all you're going to do is set this denominator equal to 0 because the function cannot exist when the denominator is 0. For that you get x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. For horizontal asymptotes, you have to take the limit of as x approaches infinity of the entire function, which is equal to 9, so your horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equals 9. Question G says find the intervals on which f is increasing. So we're going to take the derivative of the function, we've got to do product rule, so do the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared, and you get this right here. It's the beauty of an equation. So to simplify it down, and when you simplify it down, you get negative 90x over x squared minus 9 squared. So in order to find, so we have to find the critical points of this. We're going to have one at x equals 0, one at x equals negative 3, one at x equals positive 3. So we make our number line and go plug in values in between each of these. And when you do this, you're going to get a positive value as long as f is less than 0, and a negative value as long as it's greater than 0. So therefore, f of x is increasing on the open interval negative infinity to negative 3, and on the interval negative 3 to 0. Part D says, using the results found in parts A, B, and C, sketch the graph of f on the axes. So here you see, these are our two horizontal asymptotes at x equals negative 3, x equals positive 3. Excuse me, those are vertical asymptotes at x equals negative 3 and x equals positive 3. Our horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equals 9. So we know that f of x is increasing from negative infinity to negative 3, and from 3 to 0. And f of x is decreasing from 0 to 3, and from 3 to infinity.